In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting Postbox files to other format using the BitRecover Postbox Converter Wizard. To install the BitRecover Postbox Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here, users will see I want to convert my Postbox data. Convert configured Postbox mailbox data. And, let me select my Postbox mailbox's data options. Under this option, users are provided with Select Folder or Select Files options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select a folder containing the Postbox files you wish to convert. Then, click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PST, MSG, EML, text, MBOX, and many others. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. After selecting the destination path, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Next button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. The trial version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted Postbox files using the BitRecover Postbox Converter Wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.